custom finance year. Once I enable this custom finance year, once I enable this, you cannot disable. Once the custom finance year is enabled, you will not be able to disable. Once the custom finance year is enabled, you will not be able to disable it. When you say custom finance year, you can decide your quarter based on weeks or periods or months. What is the format you want to take? It's your choice. Take your format. So I told yes, I want to go. I want to go with custom finance year. That is our thing. Go ahead and create. Once I enable, Salesforce will not take care. You cannot disable. Once you say that I'll take care, Salesforce will not take care. Okay, we cannot revert back. We cannot revert back. Right. So we have quarters. Now if you look at the calendar, how many weeks are starting this month? How many new weeks are starting this month? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Next month came as? Next month came as? So 5, 4, 4. Next month came as? 5. Next came as? 4, 4. Next came as? 5, 4, 4. Next came as? 5, 4, 4 because there are 53 weeks. Last one will have extra. What was that? Last one will have, any one will have repetition. The flow, last will have one extra because there are 53 weeks. 53 weeks. So the calendar is generally in which format only? Generally your calendar is in the form of 5 weeks, 4 weeks, month with the 5 month. If I am taking a month with 5 weeks, if I start with a month which has 5 weeks, next 2 months will be what? 4 weeks, 4 weeks. Right? So 5, 4, one extra week. Because it's 53 weeks. It is 53 weeks. So what happened? Each quarter is having how many weeks? Each quarter is having 13 weeks. So what we are doing? Dividing the year into 53 weeks and making 13 weeks per quarter. Making 13 weeks per year quarter. Are you getting? Now if you start with the month, which is having a 4. So what is that? 4, it can be 4, 4, 5. The flow will be 4, 4, 5. So automatically the calendar is designed in that way. It's not our every calendar will be finding the same format. You take 4, 5, 4. So if I say start with the 4, 5, 4 format. So 4, 5, 4 means I have started with the 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4. Right? You decide. Basically it will be 5, 4, 4. Right? Now you split it up. You want to take 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5. How you want to take? According to that, then divide every year into 53 weeks and start with which month? They were saying start with which month? Because I told 4, 5, 4, then I was supposed to start with June. I was supposed to start with what? March. Because 4, 5, 4. I told it should start with the 4, 4, 5. Then I was supposed to start with the February. I told 5, 4, 4. Are you getting my point? So as per the format, it will be big. So this is what? Dividing the year into 53 weeks, splitting the year into 53 weeks, and each quarter will have 40 weeks. 1 week will be extra. Right? Then you want to search choice, you want to take forward, or you want to use for the internal purpose, or RT purpose, it's your choice. Then what I'm doing? Custom financial. Which format you want to follow? 4, 4, 5, or choose the format. No, I want to say 13 periods per year, the same story. So leave format. Or else I want to take 12 months format. Even the 12 months format is available. But the only thing is, if you choose that 12 months, Salesforce will not take care, you have to customize it. Previously, if you said 12 months, Salesforce used to take care. But now if you say 12 months, you have to manage. One was this standard financial year, custom financial. Once the custom financial year is enabled, we will not be able to disable it. So financial will be right. financial year will be divided based on months or weeks. It will be divided based on months or weeks, right, boss? So basically, it is indicating what? What is your business year? Then you have business hours. Already we have seen what is the business hours, days and hours during which your support team is available. Then very interesting, important for you, holidays. The calendar, the complete year, the calendar year, what are the list of holidays declared by your company? Now what is that? Every year the same holiday, or only this year that's holiday, full day holiday, half day holiday, you want to indicate. So what was that? Holidays. This will be correct as offs. So you want to give a full day or half day, specify. Every year the same day? No, it cannot be. Right. We have defined a holiday system. Language settings. What are the language settings? List of languages that your company is supporting. Like I told you, probably the beginning classes. Google has a UK English as a standard language. The language of Google is UK English, that is language followed by Google for its internal management. But when you open the Google can be opened in multiple languages to support the customer. We have Google in Tamil, Marathi, Kannada, all languages we have. Because Google is supporting the customers to have their native language for search. But what is the language of the organization? Okay, UK English is the standard organization. But it is also supporting some of the other languages. Similarly, was language setting. You have your own organization language. But what are the other languages you are going to support? If an end user is working from China, you want to show them in Chinese language? Now what is the end user language? If you choose any one of this language, Salesforce will automatically convert the application to that language, end user language. Everything is translated to the language except setup and except these two, rest of the application is converted into that language. If you choose any one of the end user language for user, if a user select any one of the end user language, that application will be converted into that language except help and setup. But enable platform is boss. If you choose any one of this language, I cannot convert it to the language. I cannot translate it to the language because whatever I created, I can convert. Whatever you are creating, I cannot understand what you are trying to convey. It's a platform. Whatever you have given, the meaning of the word or the meaning of the statement, I am not sure. So I cannot convert them into the language what you prefer. If you select any one of these languages, I cannot translate it to the language. But I will do one thing. I will provide the mechanism for you to translate. I cannot translate it, but I will provide the process for you to translate. Like you are using a mobile. You will type Hindi message, you are typing in English. Telugu message, you will be typing in, English, coming up, going up. So what is that? Now, your Telugu message, you are typing in English, or Hindi message, you are typing in, English. That's what? Translate. You are translating into the language what you can understand. Similarly, now it is saying, I cannot translate, but I will provide you the mechanism to translate. Using the mechanism, you can support and translate it to whatever the language you want. So how to translate? What was this language setting? List of languages that your company is supporting for users. Now, how to translate? Go back here. What is it called? Translation. Go to this. What are we finding here? Translation. Anyway. Salesforce says, if you select the force.com languages, I will not be able to translate. You tell me what to print, I will display. It is your responsibility to tell me what should I print in that case. I told, I will translate. How will you translate? Which language you want to support? I told I want to support some German. For whom you want to support? For Wilson? For a user. If user called Wilson select a German language. If the user called Wilson select a German language, display the following things in German language. So what I am trying to do? Look at this point. Add. What do you want to display? Translate. What do you want to translate, boss? In German language, you translate. What is that? System doesn't understand what you're trying to create. You tell me what you call this German and display. Now we have custom application. Now, this is what we are printing in your organization. As per your company, in English India, we have printed this too. But if Wilson open the same application, if Wilson select this language as German and open this application, now it should be displayed in what language? German. But whatever you created, Salesforce was unable to convert. So you have to convert. What I'm doing? I'm saying, pause. This is called German language. So what happened? If Wilson select my language is German, open, instead of ICICI credit card, that will be displayed. Now you are telling, if Wilson log in with the German language, instead of showing ICICI bank credit card application, what should I display in German language? You type it, that will be displayed on the Wilson. Right, boss? Override, replace it. Export. While exporting, what is that? When export is asking, should I export in original format or converted format or both the format? When I take it, converted to Chinese, application is displayed in the Chinese. When I say export the data, do you want the data to be exported in the form of Chinese? Do you want the data to be exported in English? Or do you want the data to be exported in both the languages? You have to specify. When you say import, the same story. Should I import in Chinese, original language, or both? Are you getting a point? Right. Then we have this one. Now we got information about all the five points here. What was that? Company profile, basic information, finance year, holidays, business hours, list of languages, what your company is. Then security controllers. What about the security controllers? Now you are keep on enabling. I think you have done the security controllers. You done it, right? Then how to create a domain? How to create a domain? How do you create a domain? Domain format? How to create a domain? Where did you create the domain? At the time of creating a community, what you have done? Right? If you create a domain, what will happen? Instead of logging with the username, instead of logging with the login.salesforce.com, you will be logging with your domain. Create my domain. Create my domain. Enter the domain name, get the availability. Now you want your own name. What is that? Instead of logging with the login.salesforce.com, I can log in with this URL. So you have done this creation of domains. Where did you use? At the time of creating communities. Communication template, where did you use? Where did you use communication template? Right? In what? Email templates. Then translation we have seen. Data management, where did you use? Where did you use data management? Okay. Data loader, import, export, mass update, mass import, mass delete, you see. Now there is one concept called reporting snapshot. There is one extra concept called reporting snapshot. What is that reporting snapshot? Why is? Now, what I'm trying to do? First, I will go with the username passport. Now, I install a mobile on my what you are able to see now? Mobile application. So you want to go with the mobile administration. So Salesforce offline, Salesforce navigation, you are able to see. It's around old version, classic, it's around old version. Now we are going with the Salesforce 1. Right now what we have? Salesforce 1. Salesforce 1 branding, setting branding is colors, combination, all that stuff. Now you enabled. That's the reason I log in. You enabled because of that I log in. Now Salesforce 1 to import contacts from mobile device contact list. Your mobile, what are the contacts are? Generally, when you save any contact, what will happen? Save to Gmail. It is saved to Gmail, right? What is that? Any Android device or any iPhone device you are taking, save it automatically saved to registered contact. Why? They don't want to, as a backup, to maintain the backup, automatically people give cloud-based backup. What is the cloud-based backup? Whatever the mail ID you have given, they are storing everything to the mail. So that later on if you log into any other device, you can get your contacts. So here also they say, what are the contacts are there in your Salesforce, in your personal mobile. Right now, this is my mobile simulated. But you have, when you log in from your mobile device, you have your own contacts and other things. The contacts you want to import into, your Salesforce. When you log in, import all my contacts from the mobile to Salesforce. These are the two options. Enable Salesforce on mobile browser app so that people can log in from the mobile phones, access it. Next one is allow Salesforce one to import the contacts on mobile device contacts. These are the two options what we got in Salesforce one setting. What about the branding? Color, loading page color. Now you want to say, directly I got the Salesforce screen. You want to change the colors and themes. You can change it. Branding of your color. So what about this one? Salesforce 1. This is a classic. Now we are going with the Salesforce 1. What was this classic? But now we are going with the Salesforce 1. Then Salesforce 1 navigation. What do you want to show on the what? Look at the format. Repeat. What do you want to find here? What are you finding here? A list of icons. How to access from the mobile phone basically. Everything is same. The only thing is you need to access the format. What is this? Employee tab, contacts tab, opportunities tab, task. What was this? Simply mobile simulator. Now how it is, if you log into mobile, how it took place, we just trying to show. Now we can log into mobile, you can approve the record, you can reject the record, I told. From where can I approve the record? From mobile device. Which is a mobile device. If the Salesforce one like it, Salesforce one is enabled, then people can log into the mobile. From mobile they can approve it. They can access the record, they can submit the record, they can create a record. All these things you can do through the mobile. Or you clear about the format. Right? But what is the problem here? Because of its compactness, I cannot show each and everything. Now look at this. I told you. When I told you, I cannot show each and every field. There are thousands of fields available. I cannot show all the fields. So let us say, go to employee. Let's say employee, give me employee. Last name, first name, couple of fields are displayed, right? Now go to the employee object. Go here, search layout. Okay. Now we are going for page layout. Now in the mobile phones, how you want to display? Now it gives us what? System. Go to system default. Now this is system default. Now I don't want this system default. I want to create my own structure. If it is a page layout, how it should be displayed in the system. How it should be displayed in the system. Compact layout means how it should be displayed in the mobile phone. In the mobile phone, how it should be displayed by layout. The mobile phone, I want to say last name. called compact layout. Page layout is for what? Page layout is how it should be displayed in the your desktop or regular application. When you open the mobile phones, what should be the format? What should be the format? So you create a record type, you need to modify it. Otherwise, what happened? When you log in, when you log in, when you log in, which field should be displayed? Create a record type accordingly extend the page layout also. Okay. So from the mobile, which field should be displayed? Everything is same. The only thing is UI is slightly different because of the compactness. The options are given on the top and bottom. Otherwise, the structure is the same. Right? Boss? What is this called? What we call this as? If you want to check this mobile simulator, Salesforce one mobile simulator, how it look like in the mobile application, how it look like in the mobile application. I hope you are clear. Right? There is nothing that you have to learn separately on this. The only thing is, the reason I opened this is to tell you there are a couple of options on the Salesforce one. What are the options? Mobile administration. What is this? Salesforce one settings and branding. Similarly, notification. What are the notifications I want to give? Should I give enable app notification, push notification, full content push notification? There is one called push and subscribe. Okay, what notification should be given? Now in the WhatsApp you get a message. Right? When you get a message on the WhatsApp, you say make it silent. When you say make it silent, what is happening? Your notification not come on the top. When you say enable the notification, what happened? You received one WhatsApp message on the top. What is the notification? Now, which notification should I convey? Now, it may be based off event, it may be based off task, it may be asked for approval. What type of notification? So, it's not a process. When the task is given to you, should I show the icon on the top? Generally, when you log into Facebook, now we get some, when you get a request, you will find some icons here, right? What two people submit request, three people submit request. So, what was the notification for? This is what? The notification. What you are finding there is a notification. This is notification. You want this type of notification on the mobile regarding what? Which notification? This is regarding the app notification, application what you are using, email notification, task notification, due date notification, what type of notification? Basically, what should be displayed on the mobile will be controlled. Not everybody will have access to mobile, only the top end people will give access on the mobile. Right? Right, boss? You get the people, right? You got it. There's nothing to do about this mobile application. Then, next we have data management. In the data management, we have reporting snapshot. This is one thing I covered for you. What is the reporting snapshot? Listen carefully. Listen carefully, boss. I have a table. I have some table like this. This is the data. This is the data what is available. Now, in the month of January, this is the data. I told you, boss, give me the report on give me the report about the new amounts that is produced today. So they created a report in the month of January. In the month of January, they created a report saying total on location, batch, number of students, UM. Right. They created a report. So I made some summary report. Now they gave total gives 11 plus 12. Short batch, 290. Number of students say 140. Now UM, let us say I got some. I got 23,000. This is what the report created in January month. The January, when I create a report, as per the data which is available at that moment, the report is generated. Alright? Which is a report as per the data which is available at that moment. At that moment, as per the data which is available, report will be created. Later on, again, the next month, we created the report. But in the next month, when I create a report, what happens? The data will be modified. Now, data is modified. Next one, when I create a report, data is modified. This is the report. Then ask me to create a report. When I create a report, again report came in batch 28, 40. So this is the report which you got in the February. Again, in the month of March, they want to create a report. In the month of March, they want to create a report. In the month of March, they plan to get a report. When they want to get a report, some data modified. Now, in the month of March, they don't want to create a report on today's data. They want to create a report which is available in the month of January. In the month of March, they want a report to find out what is the due amount of this batch in the month of January. Then how will you get it? Now this is the month of March. The month of March, I want to find out the data, the report I want to create to find out the due amounts which are available in the month of January. Is it possible? Is it possible? Yeah, how do you create it? Possible. If you have a record, when you modify, old data will be modified and new data will come. Old data will not be saved anyway. Right? When I say the same record in all the 4 cases, 3 cases, what is the data we have? Same record. The same record, data is modifying. The data is modified, which record will have? Modified record we have. But what I want? I want the data of this record which is available in the month of January. In the month of January, what is the data you have got? Now, you have a girlfriend boss. In the month of January, you used to call some kid to. Now, this is the month of March. The month of March, you call some Pandu. Now, I am asking you, boss, what name you used to call in the month of January? Do you remember it? No, only the current name you will get it because already you modified. Now, in a mobile phone, you are storing your girlfriend number as okay, so 521234. Now, you made some 1234. I asked her, boss, on January 5th, what is the name you saved it? Will you be knowing it? Because from January to now, a lot of times you modified. Now if you ask me what is the data, what name you have saved your name in the month of January, I will not be able to because the current mobile, the mobile phone, the current name what is saved will be shown. It will not show you the old data. Am I right? Right, boss? So what I want to make an analysis on my old data. I want to make an analysis on my old data. I want the old data in the month of January. What is the data I have on which I want to find out some analysis? That is not possible. Because only we get the report of the current data. So, people want to make conclusions whatever we received. Because they want to make analysis month-wise, or the due amounts are increasing or decreasing. Month-wise, or the due amounts are increasing or decreasing. I cannot find out today. I cannot find out what is the due amount in January. Today I cannot find out what is the due amount in January. Today I can find out what is the due amount today, because the data is modified. The data is modified. Old data we cannot get. That is the reason people introduced a concept called reporting snapshot, reporting analytics. What they do? When you create a report, the conclusions of this report, save them to your table as a record. When you create a report, the conclusions of this report, whatever the conclusions we got, the conclusions of this report, save them to a table as a record. So when I create this report, the table they are going to say, that's number 8. Now which way you created number of students. So what happened? When I create a report, it will save. That's 298. So I created on 1st January, we created this report. Number of students 140. Your amount 24. What is that? The conclusion what we have from the report. When you create a report, you are getting some conclusions, right? The conclusion is saved to a table as a record. Again, the month of February. 1st February. I have 140. Your amounts are. So what is it? Every time you create a report, the conclusions of the report are saved to a table. Now what happened? If I want to know what is the old values, I can go to this table and find out and make analysis. So every time you create a report, the conclusions of the report are saved to a table as a record. Now after 10 months I want to know month-wise my due amounts. I can go to this table and see, in January I have 23,000, February 7,000, March 3,000. I can have the history. I can have the history. This is called historical tracking of data. Tracking the historical data. Tracking the historical data. In the month of January, whatever the data you have, in the month of January, whatever the data you have, all the data report is created and the analysis is stored to a table as a record. So every time you create a report and the analysis is stored to a table like a record. In the future, if you want to analyze all these reports what you created, I can go to this object and find out. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Clear? So, what was this called? Reporting snapshot. But the question here is, reporting snapshot we cannot create for every table. Reporting snapshot can be created for only summary report and the tabular report. Reporting snapshot can be created only for what? Summary and the tabular. Reporting snapshot can be created only for summary and tabular. Reporting snapshot can be created only for summary and tabular. Reporting snapshot can be created only for summary and tabular. Are you clear? We have a reporting snapshot. Reporting snapshot can be created only for summary and tabular report. The second point. Reporting snapshot cannot be stored to every table. If I want to store the reporting snapshot to a table, that table should have no validation rules. The table should not have any workflow rules. The table should not have any triggers. So let us take the points. Reporting snapshot. Historical tracking of historical data, tracking of is called reporting snapshot. The conclusions of the report conclusions of the report are stored to conclusions of the report are stored to the object. Conclusions of the report are stored to object as a record. A reporting snapshot can be created. Can be created only on tabular and summary. Reporting snapshot can be created only on tabular or summary report. Tabular and summary report. Object into which you want to store the reporting snapshot. Object into which you want to store the reporting snapshot. The object should obey the following rules. First, it should be a custom object. It should be a custom object. It should not have any validation. It should not have any validation rule. It should not have any workflow rules. Should have any. It should be a custom object. It should not have any validation rules. It should not have any workflow rules. It should not have any triggers. Same. Now let us see how to create. So look at the format was setup, administer, data management, reporting snapshot, new reporting snapshot. Employee. Now running user. Next. Right. Source report. Why running user? Because report will be running like a particular user. I told you every week run the report. When you say run the report every week run the report like whom? So second. Source report. You are supposed to choose any summary or target. Target object should be any one of the custom object. Source report, target object. Source report, target object. Which report to which object you are storing. Then the fields of the report will be different. The fields of the report will be different. The fields of the object are different. Now why there is a problem? Was in the employee object there is a workflow rule. When there is a workflow rule, you cannot create a reporting snapshot. So what I am doing? Create object. What I am doing? Setup, administer, reporting This is the data management, reporting snapshot. Every week report will be created. That report conclusion will be stored to this object. Which report? The object you are taking. Now, map the fields. Which fields? You want to take grand summary or every group wise summary? The report analysis is there. This is summary report. Row wise grouping is there. Row wise conclusion you want to store or grand summary you want to store? Then map the fields. Fields of the object, fields of the report. Which field of the report should be mapped with which field of object? So mapping between the fields of the report and fields of the object. Then when you want to run this snapshot, I told run this snapshot every week on Sunday. Every week on Sunday, run this snapshot at 1 p.m. So every week at 10 p.m. the report will run, and whatever the conclusion we got in the report, the conclusion will be saved to table. Like a week-wise data will be there in that table. So week-wise, what is the report analysis we got? We take it from that table. What was this concept called? Reporting snapshot. Every week a report will run. That report, whatever the conclusions of the report are there, they are saved to the table as a record. So when you open after 6 months, I will open. Every week analysis will be there on the object. Are you clear about this? What was this concept called? Reporting snapshot. What was this concept called? Reporting snapshot. Are you clear about the format? Clear about this? Right. So we got a reporting snapshot. Then let's go to the couple of other things here. When you go to this, you are finding here. So what do you find here? So when you say so fit, the starter message, the starter things will be displayed. All this is what? Starter thing. Go to a particular record. What we have? Hide field. So what is the conclusion you have? Starter messages. Starter messages. You want to share a file. Share a file. If you have any files, the files will be shared. Share the file. Then what is the next one we have? Create a task. Assign the task to someone. Creation of task. Then more action. What is login call, login case? All these are called. They are called quick actions. What they are called? Quick action. So on the record itself, generally when you want to create a task, go to the task and create. But here what we are doing, when you click on it on the same page, the task sheet is coming. When you say login call, on the same sheet you are getting a file. So what they are called? All these are quick action. Here we have everything is common. You will find here poll. What is the poll box? Right. So some message. Okay. Do we need? I will take opinion. Right. Who have access to the record? From all the people I want to take access. What was this? I am taking opinion. Poll. The voting. Right. So what is the other one we have? Question. Your inquiries to be asked. This for internal users. On the record, all the people who have access to the record, or all the users who are working in the community, in their application, you have some question to be posed, you want to take opinion, you want to take share some data. All this can be done using what? Click action. This is for what? This is called chatter. What you are doing is chatter. Chatter post, sharing the files, assigning the task, okay, going for a voting, going for a poll, or asking questions. things are called as what? Questions. Now we are adding them. Are you getting a point? All these are what? Field. So field. Polls, questions, polls, questions, sharing of files, posting a message, following somebody, I told, follow. When I follow this, the Facebook you get, you somebody posted a like it. When I like it, what happened? Anybody write a comment, automatically I will get alert. On the post what you commented, so and so person commented. On the post what you liked, so and so person commented. What is that? Because you posted, you commented something, you are following the post. Anything happening on the post will be the alert. Similarly, this is the record. On the record I follow. So any modifications or messages or anything is happening on this record, I will also get an alert following the record. Right? Getting your point. The Facebook you follow someone, then what happened? Everything that he posts and everything you like will bring a notification. You can follow your person or you can follow your post. Right? Here I am following what? Record. Here I am following what? Record. Then what we have? Click to add a topic. I told. Now I added a topic here. Go to another record. I'm adding a couple of topics over now. I create a topic. Now when you click on the topic, all the records which are the same topic we can view. Then I will say, today all the customers whom I have to make a call. All the customers on whom I have to make a call. And give me a topic name. All these customers on 20th of October. I give a topic name. So all the customers whom I have to make on 20th of October, on the top of the record I create a topic. What is the topic? Call them on 20th October. Okay. When I click on that, all the records which are having the same topic name, I can view them. So if I can give a topic name, all the records which have the same topic name, I can find them under one name. So this is like your task, quick action. When you open a record, quickly on the top you will be finding the message. You will be finding a message. When you click on the message, all the records which have the same message will be shown. So you are grouping them entirely for your identification. So what was this? Feed, topic, post, file sharing. Okay, all these are what? Quick action. It can be anything. You can also create your own quick action. I'll show you how to create it. All these are called quick action. What is it? Polls, questions. All these are what? Quick action. Now in the page layout, where can you control this? Look at the page layout. What do you find here? What are the quick actions you want? Now you are finding on the top. Actions. What are the actions you want? I don't want task. I don't want call. No. This is a mobile. This is a class. This is your classic. That's a mobile. So then go back. What are the quick actions we have? Post, recall, or previously we have phone number. Now I'm controlling it. Right? Are you clear? Are you clear about this part? Clear, boss. Now how to create this quick action? Setup, build, create, global actions. What do you find here? All these are actions. New action, create a record, send an email, log a call, you decide what you want. I should create a record. Which object? Employee object. Record type. Now I created my own action. In the action, what are the fields you want? I told employee first name, employee last name. I created my own action. Then go to the lead, go to the page view. Now you will be finding pick action. What is the pick action? What's that? Go back. Pick action. What is the action name? Employee. It's not allowing me to add. But we go back and check one more time. Okay, and publish it basically. Okay. I created the action. What was the action? Create global actions. What is this one? You create an action, you are publishing the action. Go back. The action. Still the same action. There is something obstructing me. I'll update you. Yes. What the bug with this? Go back. Page layout. Page layout. The actions. It's not allowing me to add. I'll find out the reason. Let me not waste your time. Let's check out why it's not added. Basically, we can create our own action by using what? Build, create, global actions, global action, create your own action like log a call, give a code, all this. The same way we can do that. In checkout will be one of the reason. There will charter, checkout will the charter. The issue was at the time of quick action, I told enable charter field. It is expecting a charter field, but in the charter I have not added the any field with it. Okay. So go back. So what you find here? What was this? Employee. So you got it. Now I'll just give the what I did. Why it is did allow me to add initial case. So at the initial time when I'm creating build, create, global action, global action, new action. So there is an option here. What is it? I enabled create feed item. I told show it in the feed. Then I added this action. The field is added. I'm saying add this action in the feed. When I enable this option, there should be, when I enable this option, object on which I am getting this action, on that object, field should be enabled. So how to enable the field? So I went to customize, starter, then told field tracking. So I enabled it, but field tracking is not enabled, so it was not allowed. There's a bug by this failed in initial cases. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow, and we'll continue tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to cover logging into the Salesforce with third party application. Third party application I'm going to cover. Again, I'm making very clear, boss,